Here is a very simple intercept calculator I made up using my very limited Python skills. The only challenge here for me was just basically changing the sign of the constant, but however that's easily done by multiplying that constant on either side, whether you're solving for x or solving for y, by -1, and then adding it to the other constant. Well, let's give it a shot here to see how it runs. All right, let's use -14, for example. Let's use 7, 12, and -5 before it runs to the bottom of the page there. And it prints up the graph, as you can see. Now, obviously, it does the values for x and y, as you see there. But more importantly, which is a lot easier to utilize, is the data frame. There you see the intercepts right there, but it gives you a good range from 0 to 20. Again, just something simple. I'm sure you could probably do a better job if you try, but this is something I do with my limited skills. And I'll post the program online as well. Catch you in a bit. Bye.